Welcome to channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical processes in the pharmaceutical industry, the new drug application, or NDA. This video will guide you through the entire process, step by step. What is NDA? In simple terms, an NDA is the formal proposal submitted to the FDA, or other regulatory bodies, depending on the country, to request the approval of a new drug for sale and marketing. It's the final hurdle before a drug hits the shelves. Why is the NDA important? The NDA is crucial because it provides regulators with all the data they need to determine if the drug is safe and effective. It also gives details on how the drug is made, tested, and labeled. Essentially, it's the document that allows regulators to say, yes, this drug can be sold to the public. List of key points about the importance of an NDA: drug safety, efficacy, manufacturing process, packaging and labeling, key components of the NDA submission, preclinical and clinical data. All the data from laboratory testing and clinical trials must be included. This data shows how the drug behaves in the body and how it performs in treating the intended condition. Chemistry, manufacturing, and controls. This section contains detailed information about how the drug is made, from its active ingredients to the processes used in manufacturing. Labeling. The proposed labeling includes everything from dosing instructions to potential side effects. The label is a vital part of ensuring the safe use of the drug. Patent information. The NDA also includes patent and exclusivity information, which helps protect the drug from being copied immediately after approval. Clinical trial phases leading to NDA. Phase 1. Safety testing. This phase focuses on determining if the drug is safe, using a small group of healthy volunteers. Phase 2. Efficacy and side effects. Here, the drug is tested on a larger group of patients to see if it actually works for the intended condition and to check for side effects. Phase 3. Large-scale trials. In Phase 3, the drug is tested on a much larger group of patients, and data on efficacy and safety are gathered in even more detail. Phase 4. Post-marketing surveillance. Even after approval, the drug continues to be monitored for long-term effects. NDA review process by the FDA. Once the NDA is submitted, the FDA conducts a thorough review. This process generally takes around 6 to 10 months, depending on whether the drug is under a priority review or a standard review. Initial review, 60 days. First, the FDA ensures that the application is complete and ready for full review. In-depth review. The FDA then evaluates all the submitted data, including clinical trials and manufacturing processes. Advisory committee review. If needed, in some cases, an independent advisory committee is called to assess the data and make recommendations. FDA decision. After review, the FDA can approve the drug, ask for more data, or reject the application. Post-NDA approval. Once the drug is approved, it's not the end of the road. The company must continue to monitor the drug's performance and report any issues to the FDA. Post-marketing studies. Post-marketing studies, also known as Phase 4 trials, help ensure that the drug remains safe and effective as it's used by a larger population over time. Conclusion. So, that's the process of how a new drug makes it from the lab to the marketplace through an NDA. It's a rigorous process, but it ensures that the medicines we use are safe and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pharma insights.